How M&Ms are made in a factory. M&Ms, the colorful, bite-sized chocolate candies, are a beloved treat around the world. Their signature candy coating and smooth chocolate center are the result of a precise, multi-step process that happens in a factory setting. From the raw materials to the finished product, each step is carefully controlled to ensure consistency and quality. Here's an inside look at how M&Ms are made in a factory. The journey to making M&Ms starts with sourcing high-quality ingredients. The main ingredients in M&Ms include milk chocolate, sugar, cocoa, and milk powder. For specialty flavors, ingredients like peanut butter, peanuts, or crispy rice are also added. These ingredients are sourced from trusted suppliers in large quantities and stored in bulk at the factory. The ingredients are meticulously measured for each batch of candy to ensure the right consistency and flavor. M&M factories use advanced systems to automatically weigh and mix the ingredients accurately. The first major step in creating an M&M is the production of the chocolate center. In the factory, cocoa beans are refined into cocoa mass, and sugar and milk powder are added to create the signature milk chocolate flavor. This chocolate mixture is melted down into a smooth liquid, which is then poured into molds to create the candy centers. For non-chocolate M&Ms, such as peanut or almond varieties, the nuts are roasted and coated in a layer of chocolate before they are processed further. The chocolate is carefully cooled to achieve the right texture, forming the smooth, melt-in-your-mouth center of the M&M. The chocolate centers are then cooled and hardened. Once they've solidified, they're ready for the next step in the production process. After the chocolate centers are made, they move to the coating station. This is where M&Ms get their famous candy shell. The candy coating is made from sugar, corn syrup, and other ingredients that are mixed and melted down to create a smooth, shiny layer. The centers are placed into large rotating drums, which gently tumble the chocolate pieces. As the drums rotate, the liquid candy coating is applied in thin layers. The rotating motion ensures that the coating is evenly distributed over each piece of chocolate. Multiple layers of candy coating are added, with each layer drying before the next is applied. This process can take several cycles, and the final result is a smooth, glossy finish on each piece of candy. For standard M&Ms, the candy coating is colored using food-grade dyes, giving each candy its signature bright colors. For specialty versions like peanut butter or pretzel M&Ms, the coating is adjusted to suit the specific product. Once the candy coating is applied, the M&Ms are left to dry for a short period. This ensures that the candy shell hardens to the perfect consistency. After the drying process, the candies are polished to give them a shiny, smooth surface. The polishing process is done in a machine that uses a combination of rotating drums and a light sugar-based glaze to give each M&M its signature glossy finish. Polishing also helps to prevent the candies from sticking to each other, ensuring that they remain separate during packaging and shipment. Once the M&Ms have been coated and polished, they go through a quality control process. At this stage, the candies are sorted by size and shape. Any misshaped, damaged, or broken candies are removed from the batch. This ensures that only perfectly formed M&Ms make it to the packaging stage. Advanced machines use high-tech sensors, cameras, and lasers to detect imperfections, sorting the candies based on size, color, and shape. The sorted candies are then grouped together based on flavor and color for the next step. After the candies are sorted and inspected, they're ready for packaging. The M&Ms are dropped into bags, boxes, or bulk containers, depending on the product's final destination. In large factories, automated machines pack the candies into preformed bags, which are then sealed tightly to ensure freshness. Each package is labeled with the product information, including the flavor, nutritional facts, and expiration date. The packaging is carefully checked to make sure the right amount of candy is in each bag, and the bags are sealed to preserve the candy's freshness during transport. Once the M&Ms are packaged, they are ready for distribution. The final products are loaded onto trucks and shipped to retailers around the world. Distribution centers and warehouses ensure that the M&Ms are transported to stores quickly, so they reach consumers at peak freshness. In some cases, M&Ms are also made in customized shapes or designs for holidays or special events, and these products undergo the same production process, with some additional steps for decoration or personalization.